Hey Google, if you have peeling buttons on your steering wheel, you can repair those by replacing the steering wheel, which can be very expensive, or you can replace the buttons with buttons that you can buy from China that are painted and they are pretty good quality. I have a pair that I bought for both sides of the steering wheel eventually, but my uh, low cost less disruptive method of fixing this um, is not to go that far. Eventually, I may have to, as more of the buttons start peeling from the original steering wheel, I may have to take apart the entire steering wheel and then take it apart literally to get to the buttons and pop them out and put the new ones in. But that's too much work right now. So the less painful method is to buy stickers that you can get from either eBay or Amazon. I got these from eBay. They're not that expensive, but they do give you an option to fix them. And you can see that I've already painted the two buttons that I'm going to replace on the steering wheel, the hang up button and the plus button. And you're wondering, why am I painting these on the stickers? Well, the thing with these stickers is that they're printed on what I think is laser printer, and it looks like photo paper, like a sticker paper of sorts. And they're good quality. They're cut and designed to fit, very nicely. But the problem is that the backlight from the steering wheel at night goes right through, and what I would call it bleeds right through the sticker, because the paint on the sticker is too dark. Actually, it's too light. So I need to darken the sticker in order to prevent the backlight from bleeding through the damaged areas. So to do this, you'll want to get a Sharpie, either a brown Sharpie or a black Sharpie, depending on the color of your steering wheel. Mine is brown, and actually color it in and darken the sticker as much as you can. And also take a Sharpie, a black one, and color the button that you've already cleared with an X-Acto knife to remove all the peeling part, and only remove what is peeling off. If the whole thing is not peeling off, then don't remove everything. Remove as much as you need to. That would be sort of the rule of thumb for this. And then once you've done that, use the Sharpie to color in the exposed white area of the original button to try to minimize the bleeding of the backlight. So combined effort here is to color the sticker and also color the button. So I'm hoping that both together will minimize, not entirely eliminate, but minimize the amount of bleeding of the backlight that goes through the steering wheel at night. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to fix it.